TACHICO 12Pcs Motorcycle LED Light Kit Strips App RF Wireless Underglow Lights Overview. Wiring 12-volt DC system 4x4.5 6 LED strip plus 4x8.5 1 2 LED strip plus 4x12.5 1 8 LED strip. Red wire positive with inline fuse, black wire negative, blue wire brake light from receiver. Wires with 3 sizes, total length 78.7, 82.6, 86.6, 118. Extension wire, long enough to reach any part of your motorcycle. App control. Download app. Phone control direct. Get rid of traditional remote control. And the product package include AZ, RF dual wireless remote control. You have 3 choice to control your motorcycle. Voice control features music and microphone. Motorcycle light will beats with a rhythm. Create a nice atmosphere when you have outdoor party. LED type, RGB 5050 SMD LED. It can create 18 static color combinations that look stunning. 7 solid colors: green, red, white, yellow, blue, purple, teal, pink, orange. Each LED are waterproof and protect by separate silicone tube which guarantees super brightness and vibrant colors. Easy to mount and customize. Each flexible LED motorcycle lighting strip can easily mount it using the adhesive tape on the back of each strip. Bend and curve each strip to any mounting location and cut the motorcycle LED any size you want.